Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's a new video and it's a stationery haul. So I've purchased all of this stuff from Amazon and I will link everything down in the description box below just in case if you guys want to buy anything. And before actually moving on with the video, I really want to thank you guys for 20k subscribers. Thank you so much for the support that you're giving to this channel. And I said like I will start something new when we hit 20k. So I've opened my Studygram account where I will put some pictures of my notes because you guys are most interested in my notes and some other things related to studies. So if you guys are interested, do check it out. I will link it down in the description box below. So the first thing that I have is this electric notepad. So I bought this from Amazon few weeks ago and most of you have already seen this in my previous videos. So most of you often ask me like what is the use of this electric notepad, why I use it. So basically I just use it to like solve any numericals, and suppose I need to learn any examples, so I just learn them by writing on this, just to like write down anything. Earlier I used to use whiteboard for this purpose, but whiteboard is too big to like keep it on your study table and keep it anywhere, and this is very small and light, so it can be easily used instead of a whiteboard. And for this you guys do not even need to buy any markers, dusters or anything, so it comes more handy than a whiteboard. It also comes with a stylus pen along with it, and it comes in two colors actually. One is black and another one is pink that I own. It have a delete button on the top by using which you guys can easily erase what you have written. So yeah, that's all about this product. I think it's a great product, and if you guys want to buy this one, I would recommend you to buy a little bit bigger size. I have this in 8-inch and this is very small, so if you can, go for a bigger one, otherwise this size is also suitable for you. Okay, so now let's open the next package. So basically I've ordered these Stabilo fine liners in pastel colors. So from the past few days I'm seeing all these study grammars making so aesthetic notes, and the whole environment around them, like their desk and everything, is so aesthetic. So I really wanted to do something like that, and I was looking for something like pastel color pens, and I found these on Amazon and I've heard a lot about this brand, so I wanted to purchase this. And now let's see how these are. Actually these are very good, like the pastel colors are very good and the tip is so smooth, so actually these are really good fine liners. But the only problem is like the yellow one is so light, so I don't think so I will be able to use it that much, but otherwise these are really good. And I found that these pens are a little bit taller than a usual pens, so I think it's a good thing. So these are really nice pastel color pens, and these are from Stabilo, and Stabilo is so much at the hype these days. So in short, I really like these, and if you guys want to invest in some pastel pens, good quality pastel pens, so definitely go for these one. So now let's open our next package. So the packaging was very good, like it comes in double bubble wraps. So I have ordered these set of pastel highlighters from the brand called Snyder. I hope I am pronouncing it right. So basically this is the German based brand and it contains 5 highlighters, and I really like the packaging, like they have sent it in a cardboard box instead of a usual plastic bag. First of all, I really like the colors, like they have so nice good pastel colors, and one thing that I noticed that their tip is sharp as compared to the usual highlighters which we get in India. So that's how the colors actually looks like. So in reality these are a little lighter shades, like a light pastel shades, but I don't know why in camera they are looking a little darker. Actually I've purchased this to use with my Stabilo fine liners, and the shades are the exact match. So now let's open our next Amazon package. So basically I've ordered few of the sticky notes and a desk organizer. So that's how the desk organizer actually looks like. So it is an acrylic clear organizer. I was looking for a clear organizer from such a long time, and I have seen a lot of study grammars using this type of organizers to like keep on their stationery, and they look so good, so I also want to buy one. So it have a lot of compartments, and I saw on Amazon like people were using it as a makeup organizer. but we can also keep stationery on it, and it looks so good and it is so cheap. Like this one, as what as I remember, this one is for like 250 rupees and the quality is too good. So next I got these sticky notes. So there is a fun fact, like I have never bought sticky notes in my entire life. The sticky notes that you see in my videos are actually gifted by someone, but I've never purchased sticky notes, so I just thought of getting it. But one thing that I noticed is one pack of sticky notes come with the very good packaging, but the other one was just like stacked together with the tape. And look at the quantity, it says like it have 5 colors, and one color have 100 sticky notes, so the quantity is a lot. So many people on Amazon were saying like the quality of these sticky notes is not that good. From what I've observed is the quality of these sticky notes is okay, it's not yet that bad. If you guys want to just use this on your like notebooks and books, then it is fine, but if you guys want to use this on your wall and all, I don't think so it will stick for a long time, but I think for notebooks and papers it will be fine. So as you guys can see, my previous organizer is filled with pens right now and there is no more space to keep more, but now we have our new organizer, so let's keep our stationery in this. It looks so good. If you guys want to buy any desk organizer, just go for this. The quality of this is very nice and it looks so good. So now let's see how sticky notes actually are. So if you guys want to stick it on your book, then it sticks well. Like the glue is not as bad as people were saying it on Amazon, but if you guys want to stick it on a wall, I don't think so it will be there for a long time. But otherwise, if you just want to like stick it on your paper or anything, then these are good. So the last product which we have is this study planner. So I bought this from Amazon around few weeks ago, and most of you have already seen this on my vlogs. So talking about this planner, it have different layouts, like different layouts for your weekly goals and your month at a glance, and different layouts per day, and even it have many options like your exam prep plan and your mock test prep plan and so many things. And it also comes with the habit tracker and your monthly report and much more. And I also get these sticker calendars along with it. So if you're a student and looking for something to like organize your stuff, go for it. It is a great planner. And it also comes with lot more options, like the lot more cover options to choose from. So I really like it and I will definitely recommend you to buy this. The only problem which I face with this is to like open and close this again and again because of its spiral bounding, but otherwise it's a great planner and it's from a brand called Nourish. I even have their weekly planner and the quality of their products is way too good. By the way, it's not a sponsored video, so it's a great planner and definitely check this one out.